Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to locate Sound Recorder app. If you can't find it over here, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and type in voice recorder. Then install this free app from Samsung developer. Now, in order to use it, select while using the app or only this time, choose allow in the pop-ups and tap on this red button. As you can see now, recording is on. In order to pause it or unpause it, click on the same middle button. Now you can add a bookmark, clicking on this one, and finally end it and save it by tapping on the square one. Name your recording however you wish to over here and tap on save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to play it, click on it. In order to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select delete all icon and tap on move to recycle bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!